The total mechanical energy of body is due sum of the energy due to its position and energy due to its motion. That is potential energy and kinetic energy. For example, arrow on a stretch bow, stone on a cliff, vibrating pendulum, engine, running vehicle, moving hands of clock, all they have mechanical energy. Mechanical energy is categorized into two categories, potential energy and kinetic energy. Very first, potential energy. Energy possessed by a body due to its position is called potential energy. It is denoted by capital letter P dot E dot or simply the letter U. So many examples are mentioned regarding the potential energy. A stretch bow has potential energy stored in it. A bent branch of tree. In your general life, you ever tried broken a fruit from bending a branching tree? Of course, definitely, some of you does try in your life. When a boy bends a branch of tree, work done by the boy is stored in the branch of tree as potential energy. While releasing the branch of tree, it goes back to its original position because of work obtained from stored potential energy. Spring of watch. It is just wound up. Potential energy is stored in it. As spring unwinds, its potential energy is used as work for moving the hands of watch. Compressed spring, you can see in the diagram. Compressed spring has potential energy because of compressed position. When spring is compressed by keeping some object on it, then work is done on the spring, which is stored in it as potential energy. On releasing, object flies away due to the work done by the spring. So it is also known as elastic potential energy. Sling. A stretched rubber band of sling has potential energy stored in it. When a small stone placed on the stretched rubber band shoots away when released. Hammering. Hammering raised to the height has the potential energy stored in it. This energy because of its height. When hammer is allowed to strike the nail, it drives the nail into the wood because of the potential energy. Similarly with the falling coconut. It is very dangerous. When coconut tree, you know that coconut tree are of large height. When coconut falling from large height, it can hurt the head of person hit by it. Water falling from the height. Water stored in the dam at height possesses potential energy, which is used for running of turbine and grinder. Further potential energy can be of two types. Elastic potential energy. Work done on the body changes its size or shape. The compressed spring, you study the example, and gravitational potential energy. This is done under the influence of gravity, the force exerted by Earth. Gravitational potential energy. Work done in lifting an object against the force of gravity is stored in the form of gravitational potential energy. So water stored in dam has gravitational potential energy. Similarly, rock on a high hill also has potential energy. Consider an object of mass m move from ground to height, that is h. The upward force needed to move an object is equal to force of gravity acting on the object vertically downward, that is g. If g is the acceleration due to gravity, the needed force is F is equal to mg. In this, F is the force, m is the mass of object, and g is the acceleration due to gravity. Now the distance moved, that is h, and work done, that is force into distance moved. Force F and height h. Force is equal to mg, so we have to replace the value of F, mg multiplied by h. So potential energy become mgh. The SI unit of potential energy also similar, that is Joule, having symbol capital J, and the factors on which gravitational potential energy depends, that is the mass of the object. More the mass of object, greater is the potential energy, or vice versa. Less the mass, less is the potential energy. Height of the object. More the height of the object, greater is the potential energy, or the vice versa. Less the height, less is the potential energy. That's all regarding the potential energy.